Did you know that the Department of Biotechnology within the Ministry of Science and Technology in India wastes an extensive amount of its annual research budget on animal experiments that overwhelmingly fail to lead to human treatments or cures? For more than 2 decades, drug discovery efforts in India have resulted in the introduction of only one new chemical entity into both national or global markets. Shockingly, the US National Institute of Health admits that 95% of all drugs that are shown to be safe and effective in tests on animals fail in human trials. Most of these drugs either don't work or are dangerous. We need a better way to conduct medical research, and PETA scientists have come up with just a policy roadmap to do just that. The Research Modernization Deal outlines a strategy for getting the most of our nation's investment in research to cure disease by ending funding for experiments on animals that don't work and investing in research that can really help humans. Here's the plan. Step 1. Stop experimenting on animals in research areas where we know they failed. Decades of animal experiments on stroke, cancer, HIV, Alzheimer's, and sepsis have failed to help humans. For example, Dr. Richard Klausner, former director of the US National Cancer Institute, stated, "The history of cancer research has been a history of curing cancer in the mouse. We have cured mice of cancer for decades, and it simply didn't work in humans. We need to stop wasting money on animal models of these diseases now." Step 2. Identify other areas of research where animal use is failing and can be phased out. Believe it or not, India's Department of Biotechnology doesn't bother to evaluate how effective animal experiments are. It just keeps throwing money at them, which isn't a strategy for success. Step 3. Take the money that's being wasted on worthless animal experiments and redirect it into human-relevant research that we know works and can save lives. We need to shift our investments to modern scientific methods such as human organ on chips, 3-dimensional cell culture, bioprinting, mathematical and computer modeling, imaging, and other research based on human biology. Step 4. Scientists need to conduct a harm-benefit analysis on proposed animal experiments. This means they need to prove that any harmful experiment they want to conduct on animals is likely to lead to some health benefit either for humans or for other animals themselves. They already do this with research on humans. They need to do it with research on other animals as well. This will stop most cruel and useless animal experiments from taking place. Step 5. Harmonize the use of non-animal testing methods among regulatory agencies around the world. Step 6. Educate and train researchers and regulators on the benefits of and how to use non-animal testing methods. As the field of animal-free testing options expands, increased education and training will accelerate scientists' transition towards these methods and away from animal tests. PETA India's Research Modernization Deal will help improve public health, focus resources on developing human-relevant treatments and cures, save taxpayer funds, and spare countless animals' lives. Help us put this life-saving plan into action.